Hey, Suffield, Connecticut homeowners, spring has arrived, and with that comes our busiest season in real estate. If you're thinking about selling or buying in Suffield, Connecticut, this is for you. More homes are hitting the market, prices are moderating, and mortgage rates are finally stabilizing. What does this mean for you? Stick around for the latest insights and how to make the most of this spring market in this month's Suffield, Connecticut Housing Market Update. I'm Stephanie Salerno, your local real estate expert and team lead of the Stephanie Salerno team at Coldwell Realty, right here in Suffield, Connecticut. So if you want to stay ahead of the real estate market and make smart real estate moves, hit that subscribe button below to receive future Suffield, Connecticut housing market updates. So first, let's dive into what's been happening in Suffield. In February, 6 homes were sold, and that's actually flat from February of 2024. 7 new listings came on the market, and that's up an incredible 133% from February of 2024. The sales price to list price ratio was 102.6, and that's down slightly, 3%, and the average sale price per square foot was $290, and that's up 37%. February's average sale price was $540,000, and that's up 5% from 2024. And the average days on market was 77, and that's up 7% from 2024. February month's supply of inventory was 3.33 months. And that's actually up 11% from February 2024, which is a great sign. And that's up from 1.88 months in January of 2024. Now, how that works is 6 months is considered a balanced market. So anything more than 6 months is a buyer's market, and anything less than 6 months is a seller's market. So we are very much in a seller's market, but we are seeing that increase in inventory that we've been craving. So we'll talk about that a little bit more later. So what are the experts predicting if you're considering selling or maybe even also buying this spring? If you were wondering if right now may be a great time to make a move, here's the inside scoop on why this spring might just be a good time for you. First, more homes are hitting the market. We've been dealing with low inventory for years, and nationally, that's finally starting to change. Nationally, the number of homes for sale is up 27.5% from this time last year. Looking at this graph, if you follow the green line for 2025, you can see even though inventory levels still haven't returned to norms that we saw through those teen years, shown in gray, that number is higher than it has been going into the spring market over the past few years. So as a seller, even though inventory is increasing, inventory is still below normal levels, and a well-priced home is still in high demand. Plus, with more homes available for sale, you'll have a better chance of finding your next home after you sell. Now that's a look at the national numbers, but real estate is a local business. And as we saw before, even though we're not seeing a 27.5% increase, which you're seeing nationally, because there are some markets that were either overbuilt or have other nuances going on where their inventory levels are quite high, you can still see in Suffield, though we are incredibly low inventory and still very much in a seller's market, inventory has increased from last year. And that's a very good thing. Second thing that we're seeing heading into this spring is that price growth is moderating or slowing a little bit. For the past few years, we've seen rapid home price appreciation, and it was continuing at a pace that just can't keep up, creating a lot of affordability challenges. So home prices are moderating. We're still seeing appreciation, but at a much more normalized rate, and that's a very healthy thing for our market. It makes the market feel just a little bit more balanced. And Freddie Mac predicts that even though homes will continue to rise in price in 2025, they will continue to rise at a moderate rate. They say, in 2025, we expect the pace of house price appreciation to moderate from the level seen in 2024, while still maintaining a positive trajectory. So for our sellers out there, pricing your home strategically is key. Overpricing your home in a more balanced market could mean that your home sits longer. A well-priced home will sell quickly, but proper positioning is everything. Pricing a house competitively is going to be key in attracting multiple over-asking offers. And we are absolutely seeing that locally. If a house is priced right, it's going to get multiple over-asking offers in the first weekend and sell within the first week. But this is only if the house was priced competitively in the first place. So it's imperative that you have a strong pricing strategy matched with a strong marketing mix to get you the best results and make your house shine. And if you're wondering what your house is worth in today's market, click the link below for an instant home valuation. Now, the other thing that we're seeing and experts are predicting, and it's such a good thing, is that mortgage rates are stabilizing. One of the biggest challenges for buyers over the past several years have been the high and very volatile mortgage rates. But there is some good news. Over the past several weeks, we're seeing those rates start to stabilize a little bit. And they've even declined a little bit since the beginning of the year. And though it hasn't been a big drop, it is amazing the difference it can make in your monthly mortgage payment. And stabilizing mortgage rates help make buying a home just a little more predictable. According to Selma Help, chief economist at CoreLogic, with the spring home buying season upon us, the recent improvements in mortgage rates may help invite homebuyers back into the market. Lower, more stable mortgage rates brings more buyers into the market and increases the demand for your house. So if you've been holding off on selling, now might be a good time to revisit those plans. And if you are also buying, stable rates mean more certainty in your home buying journey. But keep in mind, rates are still fluctuating, so working with a great lender is crucial in locking in not only the best rate, but also someone that's going to be a partner to give you a call when it's the right time to refinance in the future. And if you need a great lender referral, DM me, and I'll be happy to connect you with our preferred lenders. And the last thing I want to touch about for spring market is that buyer demand is picking up. With more inventory, stabilizing prices, and stabilizing mortgage rates, more buyers are coming back into the market. In fact, mortgage applications are actually up compared to the beginning of the year, which is a strong indicator that more people are jumping back into the market. Data from the Mortgage Bankers Association, or the MBA, shows an increase in mortgage applications compared to the start of the year. More buyers mean a better chance of selling quickly. However, as I mentioned before, proper pricing and proper preparation are still key in getting your best offer and maximizing your sales price. And if you've been waiting to start your next home search, now might be a great time before even more competition jumps into the market. So what's the bottom line? Spring is shaping up to be one of the best times in recent years to make a move in Suffield, Connecticut. More homes should be coming for sale, and the moderating price growth and stabilized mortgage rates are creating opportunities for both our sellers and buyers out there. So if you're thinking about making a move, let's connect and create a custom plan tailored to your specific goals. Feel free to drop a comment or DM me if you'd like to connect. And please don't forget, if you found this information useful, please hit that like button below, subscribe to our channel, or share it with a friend. And all right, this has been your March Suffield, Connecticut housing market update. We'll see you next month. Happy spring!